All right, guys, welcome on back to another Copart walk around, and this video this week may have a car or two in it, but mostly we're going to have a lot of motorcycles in it. And we're going to start with this Harley Davidson right here. Now, this does not tell me what it is. It's an 06 Harley FLSTI. I don't know what the hell that is. But you can clearly see the pipes have been scratched. Same thing, a gas tank up here up top. So this one was clearly laid down, probably at a very high rate of speed, because you can see this as well. No way to tell. Oh, actually the forks might be bent. Yeah. That don't look too good, actually. Oh man, there we go. Even this one with the bent forks on it, not bad. Then we have a custom chopper here, and one of the things that you guys probably don't know are sometimes these front wheels, these big front wheels, in some cases can cost more money than the bike. I know it's ridiculous. I've seen some of these wheels that are like $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 friggin' wheels. Doesn't make any sense to me, but I know someone would be like, man, they're not 30 grand. Okay, go look them up. They make them. But this one right here doesn't look bad. I don't even know what the hell it is, though. I'm trying to look on the power plant. What's it say on the frame? Oh, it is a Harley Davidson right there. It's a nice bike. It's a good bike week bike. Something I would be interested in is this BMW R1200 RT right here. This is a real pretty bike, but smashed. Sometimes, man, you can find some really good deals out here, and then sometimes it's more trouble than they're worth, you know? It all just depends on what you're willing to deal with, you know? But they got a couple out here this week that aren't too bad. We got this Harley Davidson. What is this? This says Deluxe. This one definitely took a hit in the front right here. You can see that. This is all scratched like it got hit or laid down. Same thing here. You can see the handlebars are all scratched. Saddlebags don't look too bad. This looks like it got burnt. That's like fire right there. Weird. No way to tell really if the forks or whatever are bent on this one. And again, you know what? Even if it looks straight, you know, sometimes, guys, these forks could still be bent. Does this one not even have a listing on it? It doesn't. It's crazy. Some of them won't even have things on them. All right, we got another Harley Davidson here. This one is a 1998 Harley FX STS in red. All right. This one's got some, yeah, look at that exhaust pipe. It's like all crimped, all bent, all messed up. Not unfixable, but, you know, it's definitely been hit and damaged pretty significantly. Right? Same thing here, broke. Nice wheel up front, though. I wonder if the forks are bent. I don't know, I don't really, again, sometimes it's hard to see. You can't really tell if they're bent or too far gone beyond damage sometimes on some of these bikes. They just, you know, they're hard to tell, man. But for you guys that are motorcycle enthusiasts, there are some really good deals out here. Check out this GSXR right here, the Suzuki GSXR. What year is this? This is a 11 R600. GSXR 600, huh? No power, of course, because, you know, people are dicks and they'll intentionally leave these bikes on to kill the batteries. But it's crazy. These bikes don't even go for crazy amounts of money sometimes. Now, I will tell you this. The Harleys, I am seeing the Harley Davidsons. Like, that one's probably going to go for a lot of money. Sometimes these Harley Davidsons will go for stupid money. But the Cowies, like this Cowie, no. This GSXR 600, probably not, you know. You can find some pretty good deals out here. All right, now let's go over here and check out this Victory bike. Oh, there's another Harley over here. Let's check that one out first, then we'll get to the Victory. All right, we got another Harley over here. Nice. This is very close to that police edition I looked at a couple weeks ago. This one's just laid down, and they'll just lay them down out here, dude. They don't care. You know, they don't put them on the kickstands or nothing. This one's got nice Python exhaust and everything. Wow, look at that. That bitch is clean too, man. That's sad. Sad to see a bike done like that, man. But it is what it is, right? All right, this one looks nice, man. 6-speed, it says. Now this one's got some damage up front. You can see that right there. That's kind of rough. But it's not too terribly bad, you know? I think this one even had power too. This one's not bad. Not bad at all. Kind of clean too, if you ask me. It doesn't have a sticker on it either. Huh. And it's funny, it seems like sometimes that people will literally peel the stickers off so that people can't try to bid on them. So you got to watch for them every auction day. I've seen that happen too, especially on these Harleys, man. People, I will tell you, if you're a Harley person, you can get some crazy ass deals out here. All right, let's go over here and check out this BMW 1600. Now, this is something that's more my speed. But again, this one probably has, yep, that casing is all busted open. That sucks, man. Because see, if the motor is good and it's just like fender crap, something like this, I would snap up in a heartbeat, man. In a heartbeat. Look at that. Somebody had that bike zooming. Very clean. Very clean. There's the listing number for you guys that want to see it. Well, guys, that's it for me today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I wanted to give you guys more today, but I kind of just ran out of time. I got here late, and it kind of just got me just a little bit off guard. So it kind of is what it is. But we're gonna head out of here, and I'm gonna give you guys some carnage on the way out. I know my bike people probably ain't tuning in to see wrecked vehicles, but the rest of my folks that are here this week that want to see some stuff that's just absolutely smashed, look at that Expedition, boy. Oh my God, that's bad. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Let's see if I can not have stuff fall out of the back. Oh man, that Copart dust, boy, is definitely something else. All right. Whew. I tell you what, boy, the summer, that's gonna be a beast out here, man. Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, again, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more bikes, I will try to focus more on these motorcycles for you guys and try to get you at least 1 or 2 this week. It really depends on the demand. The last time I did a bike video, it didn't really do too well. So if they do start doing well, I will, you know, if there's more thumbs up on it, there's more views coming in, or people are sharing the motorcycle videos, I'll do more motorcycles. But I gotta go with, you know, where the views are, to be honest, and that's just what it is. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.